Hello and welcome to this another episode of becoming and being recognized as best in your management area. So welcome boys and girls, men and women who have this passion, desire to become and be recognized as best in your management area. And those of you who still have to figure out how to do that. And that's what I want to talk about in this episode. So I want to share with you the question that may be staring in your face, as it was many years, maybe decades back, was where should I begin? And that brings you to the question, what is the right career for me? What career should I choose so that I can become the best and be recognized so much that I not only do well, but I also mentor the rest of the society? Yeah, I become an enrichmenter. Let me coin that word for you. So that's the question I'm going to answer this question in this episode. So the way to begin is to look at three things. I will come straight to the point rather than going around and beating the bush. You need to look at things, three parameters you need to judge any career that you want to choose. And I have covered this in a lot more detail in one of my Udemy courses on how to make a right career choice. And I also have some of the videos, shorts, in the same name playlist that you can find and look for more videos on that. So the essence of finding the right career choice is to find one career, one area where you have three things together. It's the intersection of those three things. You must have passion. Passion, meaning you must be able to forget the time. I mean, there are few things in your life you do. You lose time over it. You start doing those things and suddenly realize it's 3 o'clock in the night. Mom and dad have been calling for dinner, lunch, and saying that why did you go to sleep? And you're still engrossed on those things, right? So that's what is called passion. Things that will consume you in terms of your time, and you won't even know that your time is being consumed. Bill Gates, for Bill Gates, it was the computers, right? For me, it was the maths, and later on management. So find out what engrosses you. Where does your passion lie? What is it that you will forget rest of the world and keep doing? Make a list of few things like that. And one of my colleague at Johnson and Johnson, his son had passion in music, and he came and talked to me. He was an engineer. He said, "Arun, my son wants to go into music, and he's very particular. He doesn't want to become an engineer." So I said, "So what's wrong with him? Allow him to go into his passion." And he went into his area of his passion, and he's doing wonderfully well. Settled down in Singapore. He works with the big wigs of Indian film industry and produces music for them. So first look for passion, things that you're passionate about. Now, will only passion be good enough? No. You need also to have some good ability in that area. You may be consumed by that area, but you must have some innate ability, something that you can do better than others, something that you can build on. So you must have what is called some innate capabilities, some strengths. So look for area where you have capabilities to do better than others. Because then combined combination of these two will make you perform better than others, and you will put unlimited time and energies in this for you to fly. Right? Make sense? Yeah, but if what if I have passion into fine arts and I am really good at drawing, but I want to become a billionaire. Will fine arts help me become a billionaire? Question mark. So third thing you have to look at is in this area, what value do you want out of these careers in your life? The values, again, I've explained this in my course and some of the videos that you can find, is basically, someone may be looking to head 1,000 people in a company. He values leadership. Some may be valuing doing work for society. Some may be, like all of us, want to be making tons of money, or some may be just wanting to be his or her best. So you need to figure out what value will this career bring for you. And that's the intersection of these three, a combination of these three, an area that you can find in which you have all the three is the right thing for you. Why? Because you will put all your energies, you will put tirelessly time and you won't even know. And more the time you put, more you will do better because you have capabilities, and more you get results, more they will bring the kind of results that you want from them, and you will get further motivated. So you get into this virtuous cycle in which you put efforts. As a result of your capability, do you better, you perform better. You perform better, you get things that you want in life, and that makes you motivated to put even more effort, and this cycle goes on. For me today, it is reaching out to you, teaching and coaching you, help you become and be recognized as best in the industry. I keep creating these videos for you. Whether you watch it, whether you watch less, whether you watch more, doesn't really matter. I like it if you watch them, but the whole thing is that I'm passing on my knowledge to you so that you can become and be recognized as the best, so best that you can even mentor others. So that's in nutshell a secret of finding an area where you can start your journey of becoming and being recognized as best in your management area. Right? So take a look at, if you have any more questions, do feel free to message me on wherever you see this video. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Take a look at the playlist on the right career choice on Enrichmentors channel. And if it further motivates you and you think right thing to do, go and look at the course. These days Udemy courses are selling cheap at $389. World of information in the cost of $389 that you would spend for you and your girlfriend, or you or your boyfriend in a Pizza Hut, right? So go enjoy, find out your area of where you want to build your expertise, your life, your career. And if you want any feedback, any kind of assistance in figuring this out, message me. I'll be happy to connect and help you figure that out. So thank you so much, and look forward to talking to you on another episodes where that could be of use to you.